In this video, you are going to learn how to cold call more effectively so that you can set more meetings, make more money, and find more success in your sales job sooner rather than later. I've made over 41,000 cold calls on this headset right here. Stick around until the end of the video and you will hear a live cold call example of all these lessons we talk about in real practice. I overcome an objection and I force in the calendar invite to set the meeting, and the prospect accepted the invite shortly after the call, so it's super legit. Make sure to subscribe to the channel now and hit the like button below. The fastest way to set more meetings is actually to hit that like button because it helps me, it supports the channel, and the YouTube algorithm really likes when we get thumbs up, so make sure to do that now. It's much appreciated. When we think about cold calling, it is a numbers game. Volume is all that matters, and no matter what anyone says about customization, calling at certain times throughout the day, the more calls you make, the more meetings you set, the more success you're gonna have. So ultimately, it takes a lot of hard work. What I'd recommend by way of process, I'm back into the office right now, and when we think about my process, this is my desk right here. I set up a monitor and I set specific call blocks throughout the day. So I started my career as an SDR, sales development representative in software sales. I would make between 80 to 100 cold calls per day. So each morning, as soon as I would get into the office, I would look at my day a little bit, and then I would set up my outreach, which is a program to help me maximize my time and organize my tasks, my calls, my emails. So I would come up, I'd pull up my outreach and I'd say, okay, from 8 to 9:30 to 10, I'm going to be making cold calls. Middle of the day, let me find more people to call. End of the day, let me make more calls and send emails so that I have more people to call tomorrow. So find your process. Many of you who watch are SDRs, are new in your sales career, and eventually you'll promote to an account executive like I am today. And I make between 30 and 40 calls, so my volume is down because I'm closing revenue. But if you're focused on generating pipeline, cold calling is such an effective way to do that. Cold calling is never going away, never going away. Embrace it and set call blocks throughout the day. That's step one. Step two is when you are calling, be fully focused and engaged in the task and hit call. It's a volume game, so you want to make as many calls as you can. Your answer rate will be between 6 and 8% ideally. So per 100 calls, you're only going to have 6 to 8 conversations. So press call and figure out what you're going to say later. Don't take too much time doing research, prepping, looking at LinkedIn company. Just press call, press call. I rip off dials and I press call as fast as I can. When you actually get on the call, and now's the exciting part, and this is why you clicked on the video, what is my script and what do you actually say? Your talk track will vary based on what product you're selling, what industry you're in, what buyer persona you're calling into. Ultimately, here's what you do. First thing, what you're saying isn't as important as how you're saying it. It took me months to grasp this concept, but your tone, pitch, inflection, pauses, going up, going down, is what will dictate success on the cold call. The person you're calling isn't just a name. You got to recognize that that's an actual person. So try and connect with them, try and make their day better. And whatever message you're saying, try and uplift them and sound like you actually care to be there. When you actually get on the call, it's really important to say this. And there's a lot of different scripts in regards to asking, hey, how are you? How have you been? Can I have 27 seconds? It doesn't really matter what you say to open up the call. Of course, you want to build rapport. You needed to get into it really fast. Here's the phrase I always say to start my calls. And I say, hey, Susan, this is Trent from Qualtrics. How are you? I'll hear how they respond. And in the live cold call example that you're about to hear, the guy says, I'm fine. It's one of those where he doesn't even ask me back how I'm doing. As soon as they say that, you say, great. The reason I'm calling you is, if you didn't catch that, I'm going to say it again. Here's the key phrase. The reason I'm calling you is, psychologically, we as humans need to know why the other person is calling, need to know who are you and what do you want. Immediately give that to him. The reason I'm calling you is that I'm following up on an email I sent you. In this call you're about to hear, I noticed that he never opened my email, so I went right into it. I went into a value proposition. I made an educated assumption. The reason I'm calling you is, here is the problem, the challenge that we typically solve for our customers. Here's what other people in similar roles to you care about. The reason I'm calling you is, this is what other people in similar roles care about. And this is how we solve the problem. This is the solution. What you'll hear in the call is when he gives me an objection, he says, hey, we're already doing this today. I say, great. I expect you to be doing something like this today. Here's an initial value prop. The final thing with cold calling, what you say isn't as important as how you say it. You got to work in the phrase, the reason I'm calling you is. And the final thing is you always need to make the ask. When you're cold calling, you are selling time. You're not selling anything else. You need to clearly, succinctly, quickly convey value. And as soon as you smell blood in the water, hunter mentality, you eat what you kill, you make the ask. You make the ask for their time. And just like in these YouTube videos, I'm like, hey, hit the like button below if you're enjoying the content, because if I don't ask, you might not do it, and we need that to happen down below. On the cold call you're about to hear, as soon as I get a sense of, oh, this is important, this is real, okay, perfect. It sounds like this is important, and I don't even think I did a good call I don't think I even did a good job on the call, but I still set the meeting, because as soon as I got an idea, and as soon as he was like, okay, there is some alignment here, perfect. What does your availability look like? And then when he's ambiguous about, you know what, follow up with me, then I'm like, no. Here's the phrase, I live and die by my calendar. What day works best with you? And you get them to say a day, and you're just like, perfect, I'll send you over an invite now. And that is how you cold call. Those are the 3 tips. You always got to make the ask. If you're not setting meetings, you're either messing up the beginning, you're messing up in the middle, or you're not making the ask. Those are the 3 things you can do today, along with making more calls, along with dedicating call blocks throughout your day to go set more meetings immediately so that you can make more money and find more success in your sales job. Any questions you have, thoughts, comments, drop them below. I want it to be collaborative. I want to hear what you're seeing. I want to hear what you're thinking. And I want you to go make more calls. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe now if you haven't already. And enjoy this video recording. If you stuck around to this point in the video, comment a call emoji in the comments below. A call or phone emoji.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say